We're facing another impact day. Rain, but not till later tonight.
For areas, especially as you go south and east of the metro, we're starting to see some thunderstorms actually creeping up towards the airport, towards parts of Leavenworth County. So here's how things look on First Alert Live radar. These storms are trying to make their way in a little sooner. So let me get you updated. We have two severe thunderstorm warnings, and the one that is clipping our far northwestern part of the metro area here. That'll include Leavenworth County, also up towards Atchison County. It's going to be this thunderstorm that you see just off to the west of Leavenworth. It's also approaching Atchison there. You see we've got about 100 lightning strikes with that thunderstorm. It is moving towards the east and northeast at about 35 miles an hour. So let me go ahead and get a track on this storm for you here. And the primary threat will continue to be wind gusts potentially upwards of 50 to 60 miles an hour. There could be some quarter-size hail as well. So that's going to put this storm near Weston at 4:32, so roughly in about a little less than 15 minutes for you. Leavenworth at 4:34, so again about 15 minutes roughly from now. Platte City at 4:45, so in about 25 minutes approaching you. Camden Point about the same. Wind gusts could be 50 to 60 miles an hour, so want to make sure we're taking that seriously. Quarter-size hail also a possibility. So those are going to be the primary threats with that thunderstorm again as it continues moving towards the east and northeast. We've got some non-severe thunderstorms farther south approaching Lawrence and Tonganoxie, and some of those could make their way into the metro as we continue on over the next couple of hours. And the bigger picture shows this is all part of a larger line of storms and all part of what could be more of an active evening and night as that line continues to make its way towards the east. Here's Future Scan, 8 o'clock this evening. You see that line rolling right through the metro area, and it might be coming through a little sooner because we're seeing those storms now farther east. There's 11 p.m. Still some of that rain, still some thunderstorms around, and then overnight into early on our Friday, those storms will fizzle out, but we could actually see a little bit of redevelopment tomorrow afternoon. So in summary, as far as what we're monitoring for you for this evening, thunderstorms, a few of those storms could be severe, quarter-size hail, gusts of 50 to 60 miles an hour. We're also monitoring for that potential of flooding. Some of the rivers are running higher. The Platte River, I know that's up at flood stage. The Missouri River, even that's been certainly running higher due to the heavier rain. So watching those threats for the evening. Then tomorrow, I mentioned we could see some pop-ups, and those would primarily be for the afternoon into the early evening. So on the 9-day forecast, starting out with tomorrow, again, we'll move those showers and thunderstorms out for the morning, but we'll have some leftover clouds. Sunshine peaks out towards the middle of the day. We'll get back to about 90 degrees. Chances of pop-ups for the afternoon into the early evening. Otherwise, more dry time for tomorrow and on Saturday, 92 for a high. We're keeping an eye on Sunday late into early Monday. We're trying to fine-tune that timeline because that could result in a Sunday impact day there if those storms come in a little earlier. 91 for a high on Sunday, by the way. Middle and upper 80s, so not quite as hot for early next week. And then heading towards 4th of July weekend, chances of storms for Friday and Saturday. Typical summer heat with those highs near 90 degrees. So again, for the evening, storms, heavy rain for your evening plans as that line moves in. Pop-up thunderstorms possible tomorrow afternoon into the evening, and then we'll see more rain Sunday evening late into Sunday night.